Breathing safe and healthy air has become all the more important in today's world. Evapoler ensures delivery of 100% fresh, clean, cool air with desired humidity levels as per ISHRE guidelines. With its innovative and eco-friendly mindset, Evapoler brings you the most energy-efficient industrial cooling solutions. Evapoler, located in Jaipur, is an ISO 9001-2015 certified company, managed by a team of young, dynamic and experienced professionals. Our team fathom the exact requirements of clients' air cooling needs and deliver the customized, cost-effective and energy-efficient designs tailored by our highly skilled and enthusiastic team of engineers. Evapoler Eco Cooling is an ideal solution for manufacturing units, large warehouses, retail outlets, gyms, to name a few, as it reaps the benefits of fresh air systems with inherent avoidance of recirculated air and harmful refrigerants. Evapoler provides vast variety of cooling solutions as per your need. Energy efficient compact air cooling, Evapoler 180H. High static cooling units, EVA 135HS. Industrial portable air coolers. And they come with durable and industrial grade control system developed under our surveillance. Evapoler has towering list of happy and highly satisfied clients pan-India. As with installation, we provide periodic servicing and quick and cost-effective post-sale services.
हमारे पास स्पेयर पार्ट्स की अवेलेबिलिटी राउंड द ईयर रहती है और हमारे पास क्वालिफाइड इंजीनियर्स और टेक्नीशियंस हैं। कंप्लेंट रिसीव होने के 48 आवर्स में हमारी टीम के मेंबर साइट पे पहुंच जाते हैं सॉल्यूशन प्रोवाइड करने के लिए।
Evapoler is bound to provide you the best cooling solutions with an unmatched experience of 18+ years and passion to deliver excellence.